One of the elements we like to build into a lot of the workshops at the Widener University Small Business Development Center is the Flux Capacitor of modern education. In this Flux Capacitor that helps carry us forward into the future of learning and education, there's really three major components. The first one, self-education. Second, deep immersion. And third is the sense of tribe.
Self-education is one of the three components of how people learn in the 21st century. We get it. Entrepreneurs like yourself have an intrinsic determination to create and succeed, and therefore you are always seeking learning and testing opportunities to be better and faster at something. Self-education happens when you listen to podcasts on your morning commute to learn a new language, or when you watch a YouTube video to learn how to fix a leaky faucet at home. Or perhaps when you look at a YouTube video to learn how to create a logo for your new product.
Deep immersion means that when we do learn in a formal setting, that we want it to be immersive, we want it to be engaging. There should be some fun, there should be entertainment, there should be comfort in that space, but also that we're being immersed heavily into the problem or the issue that we're trying to solve. So we shouldn't be completely disconnected from ourselves, that we're just learning about the concept. We need to understand the concept, but we also need to figure out how we can apply it. Deep immersion helps us to combine the concepts with the application so that when we walk out of the classroom setting and back into our workplace or our home, we're able to make that connection and hopefully bring new light to the problems that we're facing.
As part of the entrepreneurial tribe of forging invincible businesses, I am convinced that through your participation you will teach each other, encourage each other, learn from each other, and inspire each other. Building an ecosystem of successful entrepreneurs is really our vision. During the masterclass, our goal is to give you a full, well-rounded experience that will live with you in your memory as a professional personal highlight. This is challenging, but achievable with your help. We want you to go home at the end of the program with your head full of new and renewed ideas about how to go about your entrepreneurial endeavors, your address book full of new contacts and friends, and your heart full of great memories of the fun activities we had during this high-impact learning session. Most importantly, we trust that you can infuse the sense of tribe beyond our gathering and into your colleagues and business partners.